Details of all the key features in StrinGnosis 3.0 can be found below, just down there. Full list of everything we've changed. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to run through just the key features and show you what changes to expect. So you see the well definition tab completely overhauled. It's been put in a Windows presentation format, as has the temperature tab. Now this displays shoes, locks to the right temperature when you scroll up and down. And the lithology tab, and you see we've got our shoes here displayed with the trajectory. The trajectory tab hasn't been overhauled yet, but that'll be one of the next things to be overhauled. So this isn't in Windows presentation format. What is happening is that every single tab and every single screen in StrinGnosis is being updated to Windows presentation format. What else we've updated is the APB analysis tab. So you come in here, actually I'll just calculate all the load cases, confirm to run those thermal loads, and then you'll see that this looks new, and especially when we come to the comparisons, we've got this comparison here. We can right click, got a lot of different options, all new. Just looking at my notes here, so the sidekick has been overhauled as well. So the sidekick, which is everyone's favorite friend, is now even better. So what we have here is the same type of presentation as we have under the well definition, which is here. A settings menu that we can pull across, and now we've got a multitude of different settings that we can play with. For instance, we might want to round up depth, show MPD, show half the well, etc. So if you want to get rid of the half well, there we go. We've got a full well. Slide this back in the settings, and there we go. We've got a completion schematic as well. What this does is simplifies the diagram a little bit, so there's less details on it. And then we've still got our fluid calculator, MD, TBD calculator, and the fluid calculator, which does water, black oil, and methane. And we also have one more calculator in the family. If you go to unitconverter.stringnosis.com, there's a nice free calculator there that you can use alongside your StringNosis work. So be sure to check it out. And the stuff, how could I forget? The stress results. So let me just calculate all loads. I think all loads are calculated. One sec. Yeah. So I'll just grab a 16-inch intermediate liner. You see these stress results are completely different. So now we've got a full summary table in a simplified format that shows you for, this is the overview, for each case and string here, highlighted in bold, what are the design and loads and which loads fail. If it's blue, this is the lowest safety factor in that failure mechanism. So for burst on the 28-inch conductor casing, our pressure test gives us a 1.43 safety factor. And the design factor for the burst load is probably 1.1 in this instance, so it passes. Here, we have a safety factor that's below the minimal acceptable level, so it's highlighted in red. Okay, it's now possible to enter custom values for ovality, eccentricity, and residual stress. So if you come to case and design, select the design basis, and you'll see we've got these extra columns here, which you can edit by hand. We have a new load case. So if you come to stress calculator, it's a packer leak abandonment load case. So what I'll do is I'll scroll down to the tubing, select the tubing, add new load case, and we have this packer leak load case here. So you can play with that, investigate it, and use it in your designs instead of having to make it custom by hand. For this external pressure profile protocol, it's for liners. So I select the liner, I click add new load. Let's go kick gas influx. And you see this button here, use blade external pressure profile. As default, it will be ticked. If you want to, you can just untick it and use whatever pressure protocol you want. And finally, the geometric collapse adjustment is now optional on custom loads. So if we come in here, add a new load case, go for a custom load case, use geometric collapse adjustment here, and tick or untick it. So those are the main updates. A lot of other updates, check down below, and more videos coming soon that will highlight in detail what's actually went on in each one of these updates, just to help you learn. Okay, thanks very much. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.